Alright, so I moved the feeder from that branch, because he was using the branch to stay on and steal the food, to this branch, thinking that he couldn't grab onto anything and reach over, but you can see that didn't work. This guy, he is part gymnast, part genius. So I think I need a longer string. I mean, he's like stretching. You see, I mean, he can barely reach the top notch. I mean, he's like has like one leg on the branch, and so I'm thinking if I just get a little extension on it, it might stop him from stealing food from the feeder. Fine with him, you know, like his little buddy down here eating on the ground. That's okay, but the problem is when he's up there, he keeps all the birds away. I have a lot of birds. See, one just landed there like, hey buddy, dude, get off, I want to eat. So I'm gonna have to open up the door and let my dog chase him away, and hopefully the birds will come back, and I think it'll be a trip to the hardware store. He is going crazy. Get that longer. I think I'll just get in like a clip it to the branch there, and then get an extra thing of wire. It's not, I don't know. This is funny. Alright, I'll see if that'll work.